So in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a blog. So first of all, if you are good in creating content and you don't have an idea how to start, how to make money with your skills, here I'm going to guide you how to create a blog for free while you start earning. I'm also going to guide you how to convert your blog into an app and also published. As you are moving, you start getting some small money after you converted your blog to app. I will guide you, and with time you can upgrade your blog into a normal domain website. So from here, let's get started. So you're going to go to Google and click Blogger. So blog is a very free platform where you can create a blog, and at the same time you can monetize your blog if you have traffic, even with the free domain that will be given to you. So this is how you're going to start and you're going to make money. So this is my first blog I created. So now let's move to new. So if you have not created a blog before, it's going to show here. This new blog is going to show you here. So since I have created one, that is why it's showing like this. So let's get started. So here is asking for the domain name. That's the subdomain you want to use. So let me use Kelo. Okay, I'm using Kelo. Okay, no, okay, yes, this is the name I want to use. Okay, let me put the Kelo. Okay, so here this is the subdomain. That will be --blogspot.com. So it's going to be like let me see, free blog 24, okay, not 247. Say no. Okay, let me add a free blogging site. Okay, so as you can see, is available. You can see this blog address is available. So it's going to be free blogging site 247.blogspot.com. So I'm just giving you an example. For you, you can decide. Okay, you can now save. So it's processing. So as you can see, it's processing. Yes, so this is the blog. So here you're going to do some settings. So as you can see, we have created the blog, and this is the blog. Now see let's see how it looks like as we just created. So I'm going to customize. So this is how it looks like. This is the same URL we put. Okay, so here we're going to the theme. Okay, now first of all, before you go to theme, you need to make some settings. Okay, this is where you're going to customize all the settings. Now here you're going to write the description of your site. Okay, like, okay, let's okay, let me use ChatGPT for you. Okay, so like write the description for my marketing blog. So let's see example. We're going to use the site for marketing. So You see? Okay, so as you can see, is telling us. Okay, so we move here to the settings. Okay, now we can close this while we customize. Okay, so this is the description. So it's now asking us to put our site name. So our site name is welcome to. Okay, as you can see, so you're going to remove this. Welcome to the. Okay, I think the Kelo block. So like this is how we're going to welcome to. Okay, so this is this description. So you save it. So this okay, you set also your website language. So my own is English. You save and move. Okay, so is your site adult content? No. So it's no. If it's yes, you put. So for me it's no, it's not adult content. So here you're going to put your Google Analytics ID, management ID for here. So you're going to Google and go to you're going to create a Google Consult where you're going to get the analytics. So it's also a new course of its own. So visible to search engine, yes. Allow search engine to find my blog, yes. So if you off it, search engine cannot show your blog. Your blog cannot rank on the Google search engine. So this is the address of our site, the blog. Here, this is where you can upgrade your blog from Blogspot to another name. So custom domain, like the name which you paid for. You come here and it's going to ask you to integrate the domain and this site itself. So this is a function, the blog admin and auto. So here also I'm the admin and this is my name. So you can also change this name while you go to your Google accounts. You can change the name which you want to be here. So for me, I will leave it. Okay, so okay, yes, public, yes, not private, yes. Okay, so all these are the important settings. You check carefully and you do the enable search engine description. Yes, it's good. You enable this description. It's very, very important. So the same, maybe the same that description we use, you can also put it here so that search engine can also show your description of your site. So after done with all the settings, you come to the okay, let's check the layout. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Okay, first of all, let's go to the theme. Okay, so from here you can change any theme you change. Okay, this is the the one that after creating the block, this is the one that comes up. So if you don't want, you can check around. You check maybe this one. No. Okay, yeah, okay, see another style here. See other ones. Okay, so for me, maybe I will go with which one? Okay, let me see if I can go with this. Yes, then yes, let me use this. Okay, so it's now activated. So let's view. You're going to see the design will be changed from yes. So this is how it's looking, but the description is showing. So maybe we hide the description so that it shows only the logo. So we still can, okay, maybe I change to this one because this one doesn't have description. Okay, so as you can see, yes, the design has changed, also the description, so no problem. So if you don't want the description, you're going to do some settings. So this is how the block looks like. So if the description is okay, maybe I remove the description from here and I leave this empty or short description, and the SEO description, okay, you put that description here. Okay, yes, this is a search engine description of your site, and the other one is the description that will be on the site. So if you refresh here, you won't see this description anymore. Yes, so this is how it works. So now let me give you an example like how you create. Okay, write a blog post about how to get started with marketing. Okay, so let's see. So I want to show you the example how to, okay, so as you can see, it's writing the blog post for us. Yes, okay, so this is the blog post of the, you see, this is the title, how to get started with marketing. So this is where you put the title of your post, and here you put the content. This is where you go and put the content of your post. So this is it. Okay, so as you can see, yes, so from here, this is how the post looks like. So you can add some images, make it real, make it unique content. You make some changes on your site. Once done, okay, so you can also put some permalink in some of the SEO, like where you see marketing, because it's the keywords we are using, marketing. So most of the places where you see marketing, you put your permalink that will redirect the users to other pages of your blog. So now I'm supposed to put the first image, but no problem, I'm just guiding you from on the top because you're supposed to show an image. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me guide you here. Okay, that is marketing. Okay, so here I just want to guide you. Sometimes it's not good you go and be downloading any images from, it's not safe for you. So I will go with this one. I'll go with this image. So sometimes if you're creating a blog and you have no idea where to get images, you can go to many free sites where you can get free images. like what is it called, Flash. Yes, so many places where you can get free images on the website, and it's from there it's you can read the terms and conditions and how they operate. You see that you can use some free images. So okay, so you can upload your image. Okay, so the image is loading. Yes, so this is it. So I will make it bigger, maybe extra large. Now I update. Yes, and as I update, let me go back. Now you can see the image is here. So if you click off on the block in a new tab, you're going to see the post. So this is how it's looking. You see, because I put this in large, so you can adjust. You work on it after you have started getting traffic on your blog. You can now, you see, this is how it's looking. So this is how it looks. Very nice, very good, nice. So thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a new thing, how to create a blog on Blogger. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it down so that I will answer your questions. If you don't understand my tutorial, just put it in the comment section. Anything you want to know more about, please let me know, and I'm here to help you out. Thank you for watching.